What if I told you there's a simple secret that could change your life? It's already inside you, waiting to be unlocked. That secret is gratitude. Gratitude is noticing the good in your life, no matter how small. Imagine your life as a garden. Sometimes you only see the weeds, the problems, the chores, the empty patches. But gratitude is choosing to focus on the flowers, the vibrant colors, the sweet scents, the gentle hum of life. The weeds are still there, but your attention is on the beauty. This shift in perspective can turn your whole world into a paradise. Gratitude isn't pretending life is perfect. We all face challenges, but gratitude is the anchor that steadies you in a storm, the whisper that reminds you of light in the darkness. It's acknowledging struggle while also seeing your strength. Even on cloudy days, gratitude reminds you the sun is still shining behind the clouds. It's found in the grand moments, but lives most powerfully in the small, everyday details. Gratitude is a conscious decision to say thank you for the simple gifts we often overlook. And that's the simple secret to a fuller, richer life. How do you bring gratitude into your daily life? It's easier than you think. Start the moment you wake up. Before you get out of bed, think of one thing you're grateful for. It could be your warm bed, a new day, or birds singing outside. This single thought sets a positive tone for your day. Keep a gratitude journal. Each night, jot down 3 things you're thankful for, big or small. Maybe it's a delicious meal, a kind gesture, or a song that made you smile. Writing it down makes gratitude real and ends your day on a peaceful note. Express gratitude out loud. When someone helps you, tell them specifically why you appreciate it. Say thank you for a sunset, or let your family know you're grateful for them. Sharing gratitude lifts everyone around you. Try writing a thank you note. In a world of quick messages, a heartfelt note can make someone's week. Think of a teacher, mentor, or friend who's made a difference. Let them know. This simple act connects us, reinforcing the web of kindness that holds us together. Gratitude is a gift you give and receive every single day. Great thinkers have long known the power of gratitude. Neville Goddard taught that feeling grateful for what you desire, even before it arrives, helps bring it into reality. Gratitude isn't just a reaction, it's a creative force. When you feel grateful for love, health, or success, you align yourself with those possibilities. Dr. Joseph Murphy believed a grateful mind attracts more good. Focusing on blessings keeps the channel to abundance open. If you dwell on problems, you attract more problems. But a grateful heart plants seeds of positivity. Saying thank you for your blessings again and again tunes your mind to a higher frequency. Gratitude creates an upward spiral of positivity and possibility. Practicing gratitude is like turning on a light inside your heart. When you focus on what you're thankful for, it's hard to stay sad or worried. Gratitude releases happiness chemicals in your brain, reducing stress and boosting well-being. Over time, gratitude rewires your mind to notice the good more often. You become more resilient, finding silver linings even in tough times. Start today. Look around and find something to appreciate. Make gratitude a daily ritual, morning and night. Embrace a grateful heart and watch your world transform.